Hi everyone, I hope you can hear me well. So we've decided to do a new stream with the sound, and the subject for the stream. And the subject for the stream is new update for Log. So what's interesting about this new update? First, we have, if we go to Sync tab, that is where we synchronize with the community. And what you see is a chat and lot users. We edit, if you roll over the message, you can see time. But if you click on the name of the person who posted the message, you can like the message. So I have, there's one like, Flo received 3 likes from me. Ian saying, it's all temporary, just go with the flow. Like Flo saying, embodying God, generalize, organize, deliver. 1 like. Another cool message from Flo. With big changes and big dreams that we can each have, we need to be able to create the energetic space to hold a big of a vision and to keep it afloat. So the question becomes, how do we prepare to make the most out of every opportunity that floats our way? Then he goes, how can we get ready for success in order to build the container for it to come? I agree with Flo 100%, and if you've been following a lot for the past 10 years, well, that's perhaps one of the hardest tasks to prepare for success, to be ready for success. So I agree that's like, and so that's a sync tab called synchronize. So that's where I synchronize with all the lot users. As you can see, we only display 12 messages. And if you go to the site as a new user, you can still participate in the chat, you can still post. However, you only will see 12 messages. Some people see all the history of the chat. So how it works? If I go to the system tab, I can see that there's a team entry, and it says admin, R&D, and Onyx. So admin for us is lot worker. So if you have access to database, if you have access to the code, if you have access to backend, you are admin. That's a tag that you can get as a user. And for us, that's a lifetime mission, where a user, just by engaging at lot, can become an admin, a part of the company, collaborator. It's the next step from evangelists and the next step from fans or even users or power users. Admin is a user who went from being a fan to being an evangelist to being a user, power user, promoter, and then admin. So this tag you can buy. This tag you can only deserve over years and years, And in our database, we have users that have been with us since day one. For example, Ed. And there are many others who joined LOT since day one. And those people will be admins on the next iterations. So everyone who's been with LOT for all these years, you will have special team tags. Some tags will be like admin, maybe it will be power user, and you will have special superpowers with this tag. The next tag we have is R&D. And if you go to the store, shop.lotsystems.com, shop.lot-systems.com, you can buy a few items already. So for example, you can buy this identity necklace. This is a third iteration of our identity necklace, and it's made out of onyx. So it's stone with my name here. There's my name here. This is me. So because I have this necklace, I have the tag onyx. So that gives me even more superpowers within the LOT system. Perhaps in the future I will have more superpowers, but already with onyx I can see difference on the side. To me it's very interesting because we connecting the physical world and digital world, where by buying the onyx necklace, the LOT identity token, you connected yourself to the site. Another tag is R&D, and if you go to the site shop, LOT shop, you will find say long sleeve that says R&D team. So once I have a R&D team long sleeve, I'm already a team R&D. So I bought that tag technically in Onyx too. But say if I would buy more R&D projects and products, this tag can give me even more superpowers. So you can think about it as a new iteration of visualization of karma, or a new visualization of like corporation. How we have a database of all LOT users, and some LOT users become LOT workers, LOT admins, some become evangelists. So to me personally, that database is very interesting, and we're going back to the idea where, say, Apple knows everything about me, but they look like it's anonymous incognito device. Where LOT is different. We know you for 10 years. We know that you've been with us for 2 years on physical subscription. We know which products you have. We know which measurements you have. We know some of your preferences. And today is a very big day for us, because we launched AI-powered healthcare prompts. I already answered my prompt today. If I go to the log is like Google Docs or Notes. This is where you can keep all your memories and messages. So for example, on the other stream I said, using Metrics theme looks great. Maybe I can share this theme to other users as an idea. Then I upvoted message, upvoted another message, and my prompt that I answered is this one: memory. Do you go hiking? occasionally, I said. So the machine now will understand the context and understand how much of information inside my system. And not only it will work with this answer that I put occasionally hacking, also it will analyze my chat history, it will analyze the people I talk with, it will analyze the people I talk with, it will analyze the chat entries, it will analyze my likes in a very intimate way, because all that activity with LOT community will be connected to my journal, for example. So say this was a work message, just a work idea. Over years, say I answer 5 prompts over next 5 weeks, and it will be about toothbrushing, coffee or tea, and the prompt can say something like, good morning, what's your plan for today? And the answer is coffee, tea, and water. I answer tea, for example. In the next 2 weeks, I might have a prompt, what kind of tea would you like? And that path of the tea conversation can go for many, many prompts. But between those prompts, I have my chat messages that I put and interacted. I also have my journal entries, and I have my changes from the settings. So I will show some entry. My favorite part of LOT is still to use the notes and log, because it feels different to type here. I'll find something. For example, this is the entry a few months ago about idea for LOT manufacturing. So the machine, the AI, and we power LOT with OpenAI. We think that's the best engine, and we still want to work with Sam Altman and get to the level of OpenAI and Sam to put all our miscommunications behind us. And I'm so proud of this moment, because we've been working on LOT AI very long time, even before OpenAI itself. There have been so many iterations since Lapka, and to me this is a big day, because we finally here with AI powered LOT powered by OpenAI. And so journal, the machine will understand that on say Friday I posted this post, and I can understand the context. If I go to the system, it understands the time, humidity, temperature, other messages, other people messages, so it can give me a very precise prompt for work one day between healthcare prompts. So that's the vision for the next, say, 3, 4, 5 years. But today, healthcare prompts already work. And for me in my life, the daily routine, like brushing teeth and going to shower, going to sleep, somehow associated with LOT, because sometimes it would say something in the right time, and it would ask, say, have a shower, and I would remember, actually I haven't showered for a couple of days, and that's I need to do it. So now it will be smarter and more personalized. The scenario that we dreamt about, where you can go to the bar. One second. The scenario where you can go to the bar and show your LOT system to your friend, where it'll be like, wow, check out this question, check out this prompt, and it will be very personal. It will be different from other person. It's not prompts that just pushed from database on the pre-calculated time, like messages on the email. It's really very unique, and the moment you will receive the prompt also is very magical. So hopefully, one day soon, not only prompts will be generated specifically for you like they already now, not only prompts will be personalized and helpful for healthcare, but also you'll be able to understand yourself much better. So I will show a glimpse of our admin system. You know, this has been in the works for many years. This is more for investors. This is more for people who would like to work with us, developers, designers, and investors. And we know one of the biggest investors on the planet, Sam Altman, Nia, Mark Andreessen, Peter Thiel. So this glimpse of the admin is for you, and for anyone who would like to work with Lot. So this is only accessible to me because I'm admin. And if I go to, say, TED, there's a prompt editor. And prompt editor is now generic, but you can imagine how the memory engine can evolve to a very personalized thing. Maybe one day you can even interact with it and adjust it, but we hope that it will adjust by itself. So for example, it says, on the Lot website, users can modify their settings such as country and city of residence in the settings section, write private notes in the notes section, respond to prompts in the memory section. And then it goes to details of how the prompts should be answered and what would happen if you answer this way or that way, and what path it would create. So if I go to, I just wanted to also show the R&D tag. So I have a t-shirt. I have the Onyx bead. Here I can, so for example, I can do metrics theme. Maybe I can share it with some users one day, and I can type in the chat. Like trying metrics theme. So that's about it. I'd like to just summarize that the physical products are coming, and the connection with physical subscription packages, monthly packages, manufacturing, logistics, and to the AI will be there as well. And that will be something we promised at the beginning, that you just press one button, subscribe, and you receive the exact products that you need every day. The system is live. The prompts are live. Prompts are AI. So this tab you can already use, and I guarantee that it will change your lifestyle and healthcare habits. It works because the prompts appear on the right time and with right words. So what I do, I pin Lot Systems as one of the tabs, and I just start my day with Lot. If I go to log, this is my Google Docs, this is my notes, that's where I keep all my thoughts for the future reference. And if I want to be connected with Lot users, I go to the sync, which is chat tab, and talk to other users. You can like a comment, that also be reflected. The most popular comments will have superpowers as well. And if you R&D tag or Onyx tag or admin tag, you can see the history of the chat. By default, we show only 14 messages. The system is free. However, once the OpenAI engine will accelerate to say 1,000, 5,000 users, we think that our Lot was powered by OpenAI we might start charge the subscription, or we might keep the shop where you buy products and connect them to the site. So a lot of interesting developments, and I just would like to say a special big thank you to Pavel Baluev, who shipped this and built this system by himself. And for me, this was last year we've been working very hard on this, but the development of this was at least 10 years. So I'm very happy about this prompts. I'm very happy about the Lot healthcare direction. Please share, retweet, like, and also I would like to say a special thank you and shout out to my dear friend Kendall Jenner. She's been very helpful in my life, and she's a great person and great friend. So thank you, Kendall. And thank you to my parents, my mom, who helped me throughout this, and all of us at Lot, and my dad. So this is a big moment. Please like, share, retweet. Thank you very much. This is just the beginning. Please use Lot. This is the best site on the planet. And investors, please consider. Because we feel that we built something very special, and I don't see a better product on the planet at this moment. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hope to see you next Friday.